fault.
Let's play the blame game. I love you more. Let's play the blame game for sure. Let's call out names. Names. I hate you more. Let's call out names. Names for sure. I'll call you bitch for short. As a last resort, oh my ultra lord. You call me motherfucker for long, and at the end of it, you know we both are wrong. But I love to play the blame game. I love you more. Let's play the blame game for sure. Let's call out names. Names. I hate you more. Let's call out names. Names for sure.
On the bathroom roll, I wrote I'd rather argue with you than to be with someone else. I took a piss and dismissed it like fuck it, and I went and found somebody else. Fuck arguing or harvesting the feelings, yo. I'd rather be by my fucking self. Till about 2 a.m. and I go back and I hang up and I start to blame myself. Somebody help!
Let's play the blame game. I love you more. Let's play the blame game for sure. Let's call out names. Names. I hate you more. Let's call out names. Names for sure.
You weren't perfect, but you made life worth it. Stick around, some real feelings might surface. It's been a long time since I spoke to you in the bathroom, gripping you up, fucking and choking you. What the hell was I supposed to do? I know you ain't getting this type of dick from that local dude. And if you are, I hope you have a good time, cause I definitely be having mine.
And you ain't fixing to see Local get emotional
Every time I hear about
other dudes are stroking you, lying saying against you, they sitting there consoling you.
running my name through the mud.
Who's provoking you? You should be grateful someone like me ever noticed you.
Now you're noticeable and can't nobody get control of you.
1 a.m. and can't nobody get a hold of you. Like calling Jimmy's phone. Like what was I supposed to do? Even though I knew he never told the truth.
He was just gonna say whatever that you told him to.
At a certain point, I had to stop asking questions.
Y'all got dirt on each other like mud wrestlers. I heard he bought some coke with my money.
That ain't right, girl. You're getting blackmailed for that white girl.
You always said Weezer, ain't you right, girl? You'll
Probably find one of them. I like llama type girls.
follow the line.
She was kind of the hype girl, and I was satisfied.
Being in love with the line.
Now who's to blame? Get a blame.
Be the blame for the pain.
Get it bored every time we rain.
Let's play the blame game. I love you more. Let's play the blame game for sure.
Things used to be, now they're not. Anything but us is who we are. Disguising ourselves as secret lovers, we become public enemies. We walk away like strangers in the street, gone for eternity. We erased one another, so far from where we came, with so much of everything. How do we leave with nothing? Lack of visual empathy equates the meaning of LOVE. Hatred and attitude tear us entirely. Cindy Vortex. Let's play the blame game! I love you! Boy, let's play the blame game for sure. Let's call out names! Names! I hate you! Let's call out names! Names for sure. I can't love you this much! 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 No, I can't love you this much! I can't love you this much! I can't love you this much! And I know that you were somewhere, doing your thing, and when the phone called, it just rang and rang. You ain't pick up, but your phone accidentally called me back, and I heard the whole thing. I heard the whole thing.
Oh my god, Judy, you done took this shit to another motherfucking level. Now, a duck enthusiast like me ain't supposed to be getting no pussy like this, goddamn! Who taught you how to get sexy for me?
Weezer taught me.
You never used to talk dirty, but now you're goddamn disgusting. My God, where'd you learn that?
Weezer taught me.
Look at you, motherfucking butt-ass naked, with the motherfucking Jimmy shoes on? Who taught you how to put the motherfucking Jimmy shoes on?
Weezer taught me.
Now, you took your pussy game up a whole nother level. This some Cirque du Soleil pussy now, shit. You done went all porno on me, okay? And I love it. And I love it, I thank you. My dick thanks you. How'd you learn? How did your pussy game come up?
Weezer taught me.
I was fucking parts of your pussy I never fucked before. I was in there like, oh shit, I've never been here before. I've never even seen this part of Pussy Town before. It's like you got this shit reupholstered or some shit. What the fuck happened? Who the fuck got your pussy all reupholstered?
Weezer reupholstered my pussy.
You know what? I gotta thank Carl. And when I see him, I'ma thank him. I'ma buy the album. I'ma give him my favorite duck. I'ma buy him a llama. That's how good I feel about him. Oh, I still can't believe you got me this duck. This mother quacker's the exact mother quacker I wanted. With the feathers, this is the mother quacker I wanted. I saw this shit. I saw Weezer had this on in the source. I remember, Weezer had this mother quacker on in the source. That's right. Hey, Judy, yo, this is the best birthday ever. Where'd you learn to treat me like this?
Weezer taught me.
Weezer taught you well. Weezer taught you well.